birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate G. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate G. Happy birthday, Ate G. Happy birthday, Ate. Ano liwanag? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate G. Happy birthday, Ate. Be, madilim pala. Happy birthday, Ate. Ay, madilim. Happy birthday, Ate G. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday. Hindi ko in-deserve. Ay! Last. Happy. Break it down, yo. Happy birthday, Ate G.
Nang may love ako sa'yo, kala ko'y pag...
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate G. Wishing you a happy birthday. And sana po, ano ba? Wishing you a happy anniversary, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and Happy Valentine's. So, I hope puro tawa na to. Okay. I hope you stay bejeweled. Ano ba tawag kang tawa? I hope you stay calm down. And you need to calm down. Ah! Ano ba? Thank you po for being my... Ano bang ka ng am? Thank you for being my sister. Thank you for being my sister. And thank you for being my never-ending ATM. Look, contractor. Sana ang wish mo makulong na lahat ng ko. And thank you for being wow. Tapos ano? Ano ba yan? Happy birthday, Ate G. Thank you for being my sister. I love you. You love me. We are happy family. Happy birthday. Sana po happy ka sa yung birthday. Dahil happy na birthday mo pa. Kaya you need to be happy. Happy birthday. And God bless you. We love you. And thank you for your existence. Para bang artista ako dito na nag-aan. Tama na nga! Yun lang. Happy birthday. I love you always. Paano ba ito i-end? Paano ba i-end to? Happy birthday. Again. Hindi ko alam. Yun lang. I love you always. Sana po masama niyo ako sa next na pag-attend yun ng concert ni Taylor. Demanding. Thank you! Happy birthday! Chap charap, chap charap, chap charap, chap charap, chap charap.